Entry sensors guard your windows and doors. If someone opens a window, the sensor will sound your siren. You'll immediately receive a call from one of our highly trained security professionals, and, unless you provide your safe word, they'll send police right away. You can also set your entry sensors to deliver secret alerts instead of sirens. We recommend this setting for things like medicine cabinets or private safes. Or, if your system is off, the sensor will sound a chime as people come and go. You can easily turn this setting off if you want. Entry sensors don't have to be near the base station. They work through walls and between floors, even in large homes. Batteries for these sensors last for years. Installing entry sensors takes about a minute. Just peel off the back adhesive and secure both sides within 2 inches of each other. A blue light will flash if they are close enough together, so you'll know you've done it correctly. You can name the sensor from a list of options on the keypad or create your own custom name. And, to keep it simple, these entry sensors are designed to work with pretty much any type of door or window that might be found in any home. When building your SimpliSafe system, we recommend getting entry sensors for any doors that face outside, plus any ground-level windows that can be easily accessed. Advanced home security, 24/7 professional monitoring for less than $1 a day. There's no safe like SimpliSafe.